Good morning, everyone. Likewise to our partners, good morning. Okay. Since we have a quorum, I now call this procurement activity to order. And today we are scheduled to open 5 civil works projects. And as a result of the electronic eligibility, except one which we are still awaiting for the result, all the prospective bidders who have submitted the bids are electronically eligible. So may we start with the opening of the project with the contract ID 24PF0046 49. Yes, 49. And we receive only loan bidder, which is MG Samidang Construction. So let's start with the opening of the envelope. Pagsabaton pa. So for the original technical components, book bounded with lift tags in all in capital letters. Okay, so let's proceed with the preliminary examination of the documents. Since bidder passed the electronic eligibility, let's start with the examination of the documents under the bid security. It's lift tag H. The bid security is in the form of a bid securing declaration notarized by Attorney Calabias. Next, the contractor's organizational chart for the contract. And then the list of key personnel with their qualification data in affidavit of commitment to work on the contract notarized. That certificate of accreditation of the materials engineer, valid until January 27, 2026. Okay, so all the listed personnel have signified their commitment to work on the contract and are duly notarized. Next, the list of contractors' major construction in laboratory equipment units. For owned, the various, under lease and under purchase, none. With attached documents such as the ORs and CRs of the listed equipments, deed of sale, extrajudicial settlement, and other supporting documents, and other documents is the list of the laboratory equipment units. Next, the omnibus sworn statement, updated. Financial condition or financial statements, certificate of site inspection, and copy of the Philippine bidding documents. Yes. Okay, so Sado, let's proceed with the opening of the financial component. For the original financial component, the same specs with the technical. Okay, so let's proceed. The checklist or table of contents, bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid prices, bill of quantities, detailed estimates, and then the summary of the cost of materials, labor in equipment rentals, and then cash flow representing 189 calendar days. Tama? 198 calendar days. Pasado? Okay, so let's take a look at the bid offered, and the amount is 120,586,562 pesos in 62 centavos. 120,586,562.62 with no discount offered. So the variance is negative 0.03%. Being a lone bidder, MG Samidang Construction, the lowest bids are subject for further bid evaluation and post qualification. Okay, so that is for next is for 24/5/0065. Okay, so again lone bidder and MG Samidang Construction. So for the original technical component for this bid of MG Samidan, the 24/5/0065, book bounded with lift tags in all in capital letters. Okay, so again, let's proceed directly with the examination of the bid security. And it is again in the form of a bid securing declaration notarized by Attorney Calabias, the contractor's organizational chart for the contract, list of key personnel, the key personnel's affidavit of commitment to work on the contract, notarized, the certificate of accreditation of materials engineer. So this is another ME. This is valid until October 11, 2025. Next, the list of contractors' major construction in laboratory equipment units. For owned various, under lease in under purchase none. With attached documents, deed of sale, ORs and CRs, charge invoice, delivery receipts for the laboratory equipment units, sales invoice, in the attached list of the items, laboratory items, the omnibus zone statement updated, that's financial statements in computation of the net financial contracting capacity, affidavit of site inspection, in attached copy of the bidding documents. Okay, so let's open the financial component. Okay, for the original financial component, book bounded, all in capital letters and with left tags. Okay, so let's proceed. The checklist, bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid prices, detailed estimates, the summary of the cost of materials, labor and equipment rentals, cash flow by quarter and payment schedule with 198 calendar days. Yes? Okay, so let's examine the bid offer. The amount is 120,568,370 pesos in 86 centavos. Discount is none. So 120,568,370.86. Variance negative 0.05%. Again, being a loan bidder, MG Samidan is the lowest bid, subject for bid evaluation and cost qualification. Okay, so 2 down, 3 more to go. So next project. Next. We are still awaiting for the result of that project. Okay, for 24 PF 0062, construction of Lepsik Mabilig FMR Phase 2, Barangay Kayapa, Bacon, Benguet, one or single bidder, Sikaamo Construction. I am the boss. Remember? You are my okay, for the original technical proposal, book bounded, all in capital, partially capitalized in with left tag. Okay, so let's proceed with the scrutiny of the documents, and again let's start with the examination of the bid security, page 3. Saan ka na? Bid security is in the form of a BSD notarized by Attorney Takyo. The project requirements, so organizational chart, meron the list of key personnel with their qualification data, in letter of nominee, it's notarized with the commitment of the nominated key personnel. The certificate of accreditation of the materials engineer. Hindi nakita yung validity. Nakita mo? January 12, 2025. Dito pala eh. Okay. So again, all the listed personnel have signified their commitment to work on the contract. Next, the list of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units for owned 9 units under lease agreement, 6 units in under purchase, none. with the supporting documents, deed of sale of heavy equipment, sales invoice, cash sales invoice, and then next is a lease agreement between the contractor and Mr. George Yobos for 1 unit cargo self-loader truck, 1 unit dump truck, and 1 unit transit mixer, notarized by Attorney Takyo with the attached documents of the equipment under lease. Another agreement between Terio Yobos and the contractor for 1 unit dump truck with attached documents. And another is between the contractor and Suntec Pacific Logistic Corporation for 1 unit dump truck. Attached documents. Okay, parang 5 lang. Next, the omnibus loan statement updated and the copy of bidding documents. Now open the financial component. So it has the same specs with the original technical component. So let's proceed. The table of contents, bid form, the bid prices and the bill of quantities, summary of bid prices representing 138 calendar days, detailed estimates, the summary of the cost of materials, labor, rates in equipment rentals, and then the cash flow by quarter. Also the calendar days is represented 138. Okay, so let's take a look at the bid offered. The amount of bid is 9,945,000 pesos and 44 centavos with no discount offered. 9,945 0.44. Yan. Tama. So variance is negative 0.05%. And being a loan bidder, Sika Amo Builders, the lowest bid, subject for bid evaluation in post qualification. Next project, 3 down, 2 more to go. So let's open the bid for the project with contract ID 24PF0073. Again, a loan bidder, LBG Construction. So, for the original eligibility in technical documents, book bounded, all in capital letters, in with lift tags. Okay, so again, let's start with the examination of the bid security in the lift tag Foxtrot. It's in the form of a bid securing declaration notarized by Attorney Manghi, the contractor's organizational chart for the contract, the list of key personnel, their qualification data, and a notarized letter of nominee in key personnel's affidavit of employment and commitment to work on the contract, notarized by the same lawyer. A certificate of accreditation of the materials engineer, Thomas Batnag, valid until December 20, 2025. So again, all the listed personnel have signified their commitment to work on the contract. Next is the list of equipment owned or leased in or under purchase agreements leads to the proposed contract. So for owned, various, under lease, various, and under purchase agreement, none. With attached documents, ORs and CRs issued by the Land Transportation Office, charge invoice, delivery receipts, and a list of minimum materials testing equipment. Next, the lease agreement for the equipment under lease. This is between the contractor in DJY Construction for 1 unit payloader in 1 unit backhoe with attached documents. Another agreement between the contractor in Priscilla Fongwan for 1 unit water truck with attached documents. Another one is for 1 unit road roller between the contractor in Jorel Paat with attached documents, deed of sale, in situ certificate, and then next the omnibus zone statement updated, and then a copy of the Philippine bidding documents. For the original financial component, bounded with lift tags in all in capital letters. Okay, so let's proceed with the examination of the documents. the table of contents, the bid form, bill of quantities, summary of bid prices, detailed estimate, the summary sheet for the cost of materials, labor and equipment rentals, and then cash flow by quarter in payment schedule representing 99 calendar days. Tama ba? Okay. So, pass. Okay, so again, let's examine the bid offered. The amount of bid is 9,939,944 pesos and 56 centavos with no discount offered. So 9,939,944.56. Variance is negative 0.1%. So again, being a lone bidder, LBG Construction, the single and the lowest bid, and subject for further bid evaluation and post qualification. So wala pa yung result. Okay, so let's wait for the result. Okay, so moved and seconded, so the motion is approved. We will temporarily suspend the activity subject to the result of the processing of the eligibility of the bid of KID for construction. So, thank you.